Replacing a 2-port 10GE Upstream board of the MA5603T. Record the cable connections. Please pay attention to these items. Remove the cables and optical modules. Loosen the captive screws on the panel of the Upstream board. Pull the ejector levers to 90 degrees to the panel of the Upstream board. Smoothly pull out the Upstream board along the slot and dispose of the Upstream board according to the specifications. Please pay attention to these items. Insert a new Upstream board along the guide rails. When the ejector levers are in contact with the service subrack, pull the ejector levers to 0 degrees to the panel of the Upstream board and tighten the captive screws on the Upstream board. Please pay attention to these items. Insert the optical modules and connect the cables according to the recorded positions. Check the Run Alarm indicator on the Upstream board. If the indicator blinks green once a second, the service board is running properly.